Do you, I think about the Matterport platform as spatial data actually being this most valuable thing that Matterport does, that enables all kinds of applications. Are you doing anything where the scan data has been important to your clients, or not yet?
Not yet. I do have a client I'm talking with to scan some buildings that are going to undergo renovation, and they want to get the data files, the E57s or the BIM files. And so I started on making a kind of a comparison chart between the Pro 2, the Pro 3, the BLK, and some of the higher end scanners, the Faro and such. And I'm working on that spreadsheet now, and I'm just gonna kind of give it to them and say, okay, here's, if you're at this price point, this is kind of what you're going to get. If you want this level of quality, you're going to have to go to this price point, and that kind of thing. So yeah, I don't have any real world experiences right now getting data from it, but yeah.
Okay, well, two things that sparks, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Two things that sparks. One, we did do a WGAN-TV Live at 5 show on Matterport, Matterpack, and E57 file, and level of detail, often referenced as LOD. And I think that show, for anyone that's really interested in understanding the data of the Matterport Pro 3 camera and its limitations in terms of how you sell that into a client, highly recommend. Go to the We Get Around Network forum, WGANforum.com, search in the box there for Pro 3 E57. That show will pop up. And we discuss things like outdoor elevations, as-builts, construction documentation, and there really is this conversation about what is the client's expectations about the level of detail, the LOD, versus what is the capabilities of the Matterport Pro 3, the Matterport Matterpack, the Matterport E57 file. We're not going to discuss that anymore on this show, just reference people back, and certainly interested in the future, how the spatial data from the Matterport Pro 3 camera ends up helping you get additional categories of clients and additional clients. Was that in the back of your mind when you bought it, that this might open up new use cases for you?
I haven't been using it. I hadn't been using the Pro 2 as that. So not really, but it's kind of an added bonus, icing on the cake. If I can use this and get good data out of it, then why not?
Okay.